there's 3 skills that every human being needs if you're going to be incredibly successful. And that first skill, jot it down, is the skill of pattern recognition. When you have pattern recognition, the greatest gift you get is fear disappears. Because when you feel like things are happening you can't control, our brains freak out. But if we recognize patterns, it gives us a lot of freedom. You'll start to see it's not chaos. This has happened before, or I understand what this is leading to. So what's the second skill? Once you recognize a pattern, you really get power when you do number 2, which is pattern utilization. If you really know somebody is good at something, they don't just recognize the patterns, they know how to use it. People freak out because the problem is overwhelming. No, it's a pattern, and I know how to do this pattern. I know how to change this pattern. Once you know what patterns are, you're no longer fearful. When you know how to use them, you start having power. And then there's a third level you can get to, which is called pattern creation. If you want to learn to play the piano, how do you do it? Well, initially, you learn to play someone else's music, someone else's pattern. That's beautiful. But after you've played enough of other people's music, there's a point in which your brain makes a set of connections and you start to become a creator. You stand on the shoulders of the people you've learned and you're able to do unique things yourself.